Hey, welcome to Jen's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna be making brown sugar and bourbon salmon. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Y'all seriously need to stick with me for this one. So if you like my recipe and want to see more, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that way when I make a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much. We are going to begin making our marinade. In the marinade we have some Jim Beam honey bourbon, some brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, and some honey. Once we got that all made up, we're going to throw our salmon in a bag and throw in the marinade. We're going to throw in some extra water and some lemon juice. Now after those have been marinating for 30 minutes, we're going to pull them out and begin rubbing them down with garlic aioli. Now we are going to begin spicing things up. We're going to start off with some smoked paprika, some Ole Bay Seasoning, some onion powder, some seasoning salt, some garlic salt, and we're going to finish it with some fresh dill. And cover it with aluminum foil. Now to make the brown sugar and bourbon. Start with butter, soy sauce, and the bourbon with the same amount of sugar to make a syrup. Now it's time to grill up these beautiful salmon. And while they are grilling, you're going to want to throw on some of that brown sugar and bourbon glaze. You see these beautiful grill marks? That's what you're looking for. So y'all, I was surprised how good this turned out. I probably shouldn't say that I was surprised because it is my recipe, but, wow, that sounded really cocky. Sorry. But anyways, if you like my video, make sure to click one of these links. Thanks, y'all.